Welcome to our video series on engagement ring designing. My name is Greg. If you'd like to, if you're interested in the video, you can actually search on this blog and go and visit some of our other previous design presentations. They're primarily all about engagement ring process of designing. This particular piece is a very simple kind of trellis princess cut diamond engagement ring, but we're going to add a lot more to this particular piece. So we're going to start with the basic look and then add on from there. So the first thing that we want to do is work with this ring mounting, or what they call a shank. The first thing I'm going to do is provide a look for the outside ring part, and that is that we can either do two different styles, one which is round, or we can do a little bit what is called the European, toggle back and forth. Round is very traditional, European is very modern. I like the modern, so I'm going to leave it to the modern. The next thing is we're going to add a little bit something more to this trellis look. What's happening nowadays is that a lot of designers are not only bringing in or showcasing the center and how it sits on your finger, but they're trying to bring in all angles of the ring design. And it just tells a better story of the overall design, and it's just a better presentation. We primarily acquire jewelry so that we enjoy it, but also what type of enjoyment others get from it when they look at it. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and continue on with this. I think the first thing we need to do, which is pretty obvious, is to make this center a little bit bigger. Let's bring it up to about a 3/4 carat. That looks nice, but I think it's going to need some height. Oops, bring it down a little bit. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. Now the next thing we're going to do is try to bring in some additional accents, and I think a little bit of some diamonds going down the sides. When I do design engagements with side diamond accents, I always try to do a little bit more going down the sides, meaning that typically at 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock position is a good position, but I like it when it goes down just a little further so that people get the impression that the diamonds are going all the way around or further down the sides to continue that diamond cascading look when it's being worn on a finger. And also I'm going to tie in an accent which is a shared prong so that it matches a little bit more of what we have up here. I actually think that's coming along real well. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up a matching band. Now this matching band is obviously going to have to go around here. If it was to be closer, we'd have to remove that element there. But it still goes well because it kind of mirrors the format, or the design style of the engagement piece. And I think it would look best, I think it looks good that way, but I think it would probably look best to match in diamond style. So let's go ahead and add some diamonds to this piece, and also the prongs. I think that's ended up being a real nice piece. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our continuing series. Thanks.